Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change now playing status on Discord. So first of all, open your Discord and click on user settings, scroll down and click on activity status or activity privacy, and here you'll find this option, display current activity as a status message. So you have to disable this option and then click on your profile, click on set custom status, and you can add a new status here, and you can select a duration. You can select clear after 4 hours, 1 hour. So I'm gonna selecting here today and click on save, and here we can see I've successfully changed my now playing status. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.